The science of brain aging is simple. Our brain is not a machine that wears out. It's more like a muscle. The more we use it, the better it works. It's called neuroplasticity. That is, our brain's ability to grow new cells and connections. And this process doesn't stop in our 30s or 50s. It continues even at 80. But for that, our brain needs one thing: novelty, new learning, new conversations, and new emotions. If you don't give our brain new things to do, the brain starts dimming. Say, for example, if you're doing the same job, walking the same route, following the same routine, our brain will get used to it. It will become like our muscle memory. So obviously our brain doesn't need to function, right? If this continues over time, our brain's learning chemical called the BDNF will drop. BDNF is a special protein in the brain called the neurotrophin. It's like a growth fertilizer that helps our brain cells grow, connect, and stay strong. It's like the fertilizer for our neurons. Low BDNF is equal to slow thoughts, poor memory, zero spark. Add chronic stress to that. The cortisol hormone shrinks our hippocampus, the part that holds memory. So we forget names, we forget faces, we forget why we even walked into a room. But here's what's worse. We stop feeling like ourselves. We don't just lose memory, we start losing identity. That's the real danger. And science says only 20 to 25% of the brain aging is genetic. The rest depends on what we do daily. So let's look at 5 science-backed habits that can keep our brain sharp, alive, and young. Number 1, do something new every day. Our brains wakes up to even small changes, like try a new recipe, take a different route, learn one new word. Novelty builds new neural connections, and new connections keep our brain alert, flexible, and young. You'll start feeling mentally active, refreshed, and alive. Number 2, focus on one thing at a time. Doing many things at the same time is like having mental junk food. It gives us the illusion of productivity, but it scatters our brain. Pick one thing. Be fully present. Even 20 minutes of deep focus is better than hours of half attention. It preserves mental energy and clarity. Focus on one thing at a time, which will help you feel sharper and more in control. Number 3, stay connected to people. Loneliness shrinks the brain faster than aging. Having real conversations, laughter, and sharing meals with family and friends is like medicine for our brain. Even a short chat with a friend can release calming chemicals and protect our memory. It leaves us feeling emotionally full, supported, and mentally recharged. Number 4, sleep well, eat right. Our brain repairs itself during sleep. It runs on clean fuel, water, healthy fats, proteins, and micronutrients. When we skip rest or live on junk, our brain slows down. But when we nourish and rest it well, we feel clearer, lighter, and more youthful. Number 5, stay curious. Do you know the real secret to a young brain? It's wondering like a child, getting awestruck. People who stay mentally young never stop asking why. They're always curious to learn, explore. They see the world with a sense of wonder. Curiosity keeps our brain's focus center alive, and when that part is active, everything else lights up too. It brings back the joy of discovery and makes us feel young no matter our age. So, if we want our brain to stay young, we should challenge it, feed it with good things, and keep it curious.